YouTube channel. I hope y'all sub to this one. Please like, subscribe. And I know y'all like, ooh, did y'all just see a cricket? I just saw a cricket. It's like somewhere over here.
What? Over here.
I have to catch it. Watch out.
Oh, there's ants over here.
Oh, you guys know we like ants a lot. We love the outside doors, the nature. And my bad for zooming in so much. But,
wait, what's... Oh, I thought that was freaking good.
We're going to try to find a snake or just look for bugs today.
Oh, grasshoppers.
So,
anything.
Let's come over here.
Yeah. There's even an ant. Oh, I see hawk, I think.
Huh? So, guys, we just found a bug. Do you see that
there's a dragonfly in the subway down.
You see the dragonfly is difficult to catch. He scared it away.
Hey, I found a bug though.
Watch out, Mama. I'll pick this up. I'll pick this up. Watch out.
Oh.
And if we pick this up, you guys can see.
Yes, white pulleys.
Yep.
We will catch them. What? So let's go catching them.
It's a whole bunch of mold. Get all that white mold.
Whoa.
See that white mold, guys, and all of that? And all these roly-polies here.
And I
have just touching the mold.
I have the roly-poly right here.
And we just put this back.
That scared me.
Oh, moldy.
Okay.
And you look at that big beetle over here. You might not be able to see it very well. But if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that beetle like right there.
Yeah. But back to the thing.
Back to crickets, or we might encounter a wasp, guys.
And a snake. Because I saw one yesterday.
Yeah, so. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so look, we done doing whatever we just did. Now we're gonna try to find these little snakes, or at least some bugs. So you see, you know, bugs and stuff like hiding under things like this rusty old pan.
I just checked that.
Turns out there's only a tiny little ant there. So if we come over here, we have stuff over here.
Oh,
and there's a lot of spider webs, if you can see.
And snakes.
And we do find a couple of snakes over here.
We just gotta come over. Oh, there's a grasshopper! There's a grasshopper! Yeah.
Turns out he just found a grasshopper. I see a sweat bee.
We don't know.
I don't know what he's talking about though, because I can't see anything. Tell me.
Grasshopper right there.
Guys, you really have to tell me, like you really got to tell me where it's at. I can't see. I mean.
Wait here. Here's the cup.
Oh, guys, you see it right there. Watch out, Mama. Watch out. Stop. Stop it.
Here, I have the wood.
I didn't even get it.
It's right there.
Here, how about you film me, okay?
Okay. Me wood?
Just film me. Film the cup. Film the cup.
Me.
Alright, give me wood.
Here.
I got out.
Huh?
Film him.
Oil.
Sweat bee. Ah, we lost him.
Oh no. Will is.
He's all in the grass. Get down, my mind. Found him.
Will. Oh. Found him. Yeah, sorry guys. Oh, I think we got him. Do we?
I don't think we got him.
Oh no. You wait. Yo, Bro, why would you not get
We
him?
got him.
We got him?
I just dropped him.
Oh my. Let's film him. We
Got it,
do.
guys.
Oh, guys, film. We are gonna look for some snakes now.
Now go put that on the table.
Okay. Don't wait for me.
Now I'm pretty sure, I don't know for sure, guys, but I'm pretty sure there are some aphids over here.
We found some snakes.
There's a fly. You see him? He looks like Batman, guys. Alright, so the end of the video is coming in like a second because don't have much longer. So, guys, so this is what I'm thinking. Maybe like as much as I can, I'm gonna film like 3 to 4 times every single week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then that's how the schedule is gonna be. Sometimes I'll do 1 video on Thursday, so that make it 4 a week. So it's kind of like not organized right now because I'm gonna do a gaming video after this one, but it'll be uploaded by tomorrow. I'll make it like and then I'll do like a couple of other ones, and I'll make it into a short. Okay, guys? So peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget. And if you see this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I don't know. That's just what I hear some people that I say. Alright. Love y'all. Peace. God bless y'all.